Have you ever wondered if a house costs $300,000? Do you really end up paying only $300,000? Let's talk about Jake. Jake is 30 years old. He recently bought his dream home in Texas. The price of the house was $300,000, and he took out a 25-year mortgage at a 6% interest rate. Jake was excited. He thought, okay, I borrowed $300,000. Over time, I'll just pay back $300,000. But then he opened a mortgage calculator, and what he saw completely surprised him. His monthly payment was about $1,933. That doesn't sound too bad, right? But here's a question for you. If you had to make that payment every month for the next 25 years, how much money do you think you'd pay in total? Take a guess. When Jake saw the final number, he was stunned. Over 25 years, he would pay the bank approximately $579,900. Yeah, you heard that right, almost $580,000. And remember, the house only cost $300,000. So where did the extra money go? The answer is simple: interest. Out of that $579,900, about $279,900 goes toward interest alone. Now look at your own life. Have you ever bought something based only on the monthly payment? A lot of people make that exact mistake. They think, if I can afford the monthly payment, I'm fine. But they never stop to calculate the true cost. Jake learned 3 important lessons from this experience. First, don't focus only on the monthly payment. Always calculate the total amount you'll pay over the life of the loan. Second, compare interest rates before borrowing. Even a slightly lower rate can save you thousands of dollars in the future. Third, make extra payments whenever possible. Even one extra payment each year can shorten your loan term and save a significant amount of interest. Jake eventually started making extra payments. As a result, his interest costs dropped, and he moved closer to owning his home outright much sooner than expected. So the next time you hear someone say they bought a $300,000 house, remember this: the price of the house is only part of the story. The interest rate and the length of the loan determine the real cost of that home, and that is the hidden power of mortgage interest.